Hello everyone. CONSTEKNOSforum welcomes all you construction technocrats. Our topic today is design of vertical curves for railway or highway alignment. Gradients are unavoidable in highways as well as in railways. And whenever there is a change in gradients, a vertical curve is formed. This is the apex point E, and this is the point on the curve, let us say F, and it will join these two ends, that is the point here. You can call it as G. But I have an easier and faster solution to calculate the RL of your vertical alignment at regular intervals without bothering about calculating the vertical curves. Here I am presenting a software which is designed in Visual Basic for Excel to solve this problem. The best thing about this software is that it is very easy to operate. Even a beginner level user of Excel can operate it. And of course, it is almost free. So, let us see how this software works and how to operate it.